The topic of my speech is 14 August. Who knew that the day of 14 August will show the world in a way that both East and West would come to know that there stands a country named Pakistan, a lovely place, a peaceful land, and a home for a Muslim, a kind effort, poet, dreams, and a struggle of a human flood. A new beginning begins a stream filled with a Muslim blood. 14 August is a common date, like other dates of English calendar for other nations, but for Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. According to English calendar, while according to Islamic calendar, it was 27 of Ramadan, when Allah blessed Muslim with the pious homeland. 27 Ramadan has religious importance as the revelation of Holy Quran on Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam completed in this month. The word Pakistan is made by combining two words, Pak and Istan. Pak means pious and Istan means homeland. Therefore, the meaning of Pakistan is homeland of pious people. We should thank Allah hundreds of million times that He blessed us with a free and separate homeland. Thank you.